Hello friends, let's learn some colors. Pink color, orange color, yellow color, green color, blue color, red color, purple color, black color. Wow! Now let's learn some letters. Pink color. Letter A. 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 Orange color. Letter B. 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 Orange color. Letter B. Yellow color. Letter C. C. Yellow color. Letter C. C. Green color. Letter D. D. Green color. Letter D. D. Now let's learn some numbers. Blue color. Number 1. Number 1. Blue color. 1. Red color. Number 2. Number 2. Red color. 2. Purple color. Number 3. Number 3. Purple color. 3. Black color. Number 4. Number 4. Black color. Number 4. 4. A, B, C, D. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow! A, B, C, D. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow! Thank you for watching. See you next time.